Well, ho, ho, ho. This is a Christmas Eve mail call. Woo! This is the last of it before Christmas. I think I still have stuff coming that I may have one or two more mail calls before New Year's. I don't know because the mail is flipping unpredictable at this point. But I did want to share this stuff that came in yesterday and the day before because I wanted to open it for another reason. So this top package, I already opened it because I've been desperate for it. This is my a recent Amazon order, and I needed more ATG tape. So I wanted to share this, and so far this is off-brand, basically made in China. ATG tape, and I'm giving it a whirl. I've already pulled one and loaded it up and immediately started using it, and it's working really good, guys. So all of you ladies who are Big Mama ATG gun people, I'm gonna send you a link to these guys in the description box. I'm happy they got here exactly when they said they were going to get here. And watch it, because you may find other sellers on Amazon watching, because I almost went with another one, and then right before I clicked order, I realized, oh, wait a minute, I'm paying shipping. And this one, there was literally a $1 or $2 price difference. I think it was a $2 price difference with these and the other seller. The other seller was $2 cheaper, but I was paying $4.99 in shipping. So I was going to end up paying more anyway. So watch it, because I'm Amazon Prime, so I don't pay shipping. So be careful when you do Amazon stuff. If you do Prime, watch the shipping. If you don't, I believe I've been Prime for such a long time. I thought at the point you make $25 or $35 an order, then you get free shipping, but I don't know for sure. So check that. But forget it. It makes sense to us. We have Prime. So there's that. So that is the first of the mail call. Yay! I got a dozen of them. So these will last me a while, a minute. Okay, and I could have ordered more, and it would have made sense, honestly, for me to order it, but I didn't want to spend it. And oh my gosh, I am sorry. I'm crazy this morning. Let me turn down the music a little bit. Okay, because you guys put up with my insanity. I needed to have some calming music, so I'm playing some Andrew Rip, some praise music, because for those of you believers, you know what I mean. It grounds me. It brought me down from the edge real fast. So I had to put some in the background. So anyway, okay, now back to what you're really here for. You don't care about that. Those, or some of you that do. I don't know. We're just going to let it go. This is my Simon Says. I'm trying to look for the top of it. Is there a top, and does it matter? Oh, there it is. This is the top. So, and I keep forgetting to hit up the Peanut Gallery, who should be walking in any minute now with Starbucks, because I sent him off. That we've been like crazy this morning, running around because I didn't have the chocolate bars for the brownies I make for Christmas Eve. I cannot not show up at my sister's house without death by chocolate brownies. That includes a layer of symphony bars in it. So we had to stop and get symphony bars. We needed to get labs drawn for our doctor, and it showed that it was open today. They lied. We went to, we made, you would have been amazed, the roundabout. Oh, and I have, not only is this a combo, so I forgot to mention, this is a combo mail call, shopping, adventures in shopping. Yay! Because I'm going to share with you guys what I ran and got at Michael's, okay? Because my Michael's got a late shipment of stuff. So, I mean, it's been pretty bare then, and then suddenly I went in yesterday, and I'm like, holy cow! Holy cow! They had a bunch of stuff, so I picked up a few things, okay? So anyway, back to what's going on over here. So, this is my Simon Says haul. I got another pad of the SNOME time, because this is, again, from our friends at Crafters Consortium. Oh my gosh, it is such stinking adorable. I think I've already shared this pad once, but I'm going to go through it again for those that have not seen it. I got a second pad, and I also ordered now the Elves one. So I got that coming as well. But here we go. So this is just, this is shiny paper, guys. So I don't know if you can tell. Hopefully you can see it has just that bit of a sheen. That is just so pretty. And I think it's 4 or 5 sheets. This one is not sparkly, but can you tell that the snowflakes are shiny against a matte? So I'm loving on this paper. And oh my gosh, look at the little birdies. I'm telling you guys, I am like the instant fan for Crafters Consortium. Oh my gosh, they have moved up. From never heard of them. Probably a month and a half ago. I think I first heard of them in October from VNA. And now I am like, oh, must have them. So now I'm a huge follower. But look at this paper. I mean, both sides I love. What I really love is they give us a lot of sheets so that you don't have to feel guilty if you want to use some of the back, but oh my gosh, then I don't get to use the front. But look how pretty. Oh, and look at these hearts. And this one is textured. In fact, I remember I did review this because I'm going to tell you, this feels like, for those of you that are authentic fans, the texture to this paper is just like the authentic paper. So you have authentic going on here, and just that red, and it's just a simple red with a bit of a brushy kind of stroke. I can't tell you, but it is just not like a flat piece of red paper. So look guys, the cavalry has walked in with Starbucks. I'm doing a quick video, so come on over and bring me my coffee. For you, I will stop anything. The peanut gallery has come to rescue me. Yay! See, look what he brought me. Oh, a Venti caramel ribbon crunch. Give me a second, guys. I have to have a sip. Okay. I needed that. I needed that. Like, I need speed right now. But when you're screaming ADD, believe me, coffee works. So we have these cute little reindeers, and oh, look at that. This paper is so pretty. Snowflakes, fa la 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 la, happy holidays. I don't know, how can, I think these are the first people where I love every sheet. Look at that. Here we got, again, we're back to that shiny kind of a sheen. Like, it has the same patina as like Tonics. They're oh my gosh, what is the name of that paper? But it has that sheen, the pearl. It's kind of like a pearlized. There we go. It's what word I'm looking for. So it's got that same, and it has green. Okay, I could do without the green, but still it works. It does work. I love it for little contrast pieces or background. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. And what's the back of it? Stripes. I like the stripes. Even if I'm not fan of green, but this is okay. It's almost like dizzying green, but still, I love it. I love this pad. And mushrooms. Let's go over here. What do we have? Oh, mushrooms in 2 colors. Gotta love it. Gotta love our shrooms, our fungi. This is fungi. I love fungi. This is like a snack for me. And then we have to me, they're snowballs, but in 2 colors. So I love it. So that's a whole pad. And then they use the cover paper. So you can either use like this. Tell me right there. That's an A2. That's your cover. That's a back of a background if you want to use it that way. Or you cut these out and look, it just came right out, which is fine with me. Or we put these through the scan icon, and I may experiment with these and use them with my scan and cut and see, because I have not used it. I have to quite literally dust it off. But okay, on go with these. I got several packages, and here's my little card with the discount code that they always send you. I got 2 packages of the 3D decoupage, and these came, if anybody signed up for, I do Simon's Simon Says Stamps Kit Club too. Why? Because I'm a weak woman. And this was this month's, and I love them, and they're the decoupage, so they're layers. Let me open one of these up so you can see. Okay. So you have, I think are they all the same? Or I think they have several. No, they're not all the same. So we have two of these, and you can tell and they tell you the layers, where the layers. So number 1, number 2, where is number 3, and then 4, and then 5. So stinking adorable. These are Instacards. And if you want to look at them, they're Christmassy themed, but we've got a bunch of hearts in here. Tell me that we can't turn this into a Valentine card too, right? Guys, gotta see beyond the obvious, because it's still cold in February in many places, including California. Okay, we just went through a storm. I mean, Steve and I were out there last minute shopping because we're insane. Last night in the pouring down rain, we came back soggy. But I finally was able to get my sister, my brother-in-law, we were like, what are we going to get them? What we're going to get them? They are much better off than we are, so they're hard to shop more, and we found it. But it took us a while. So if it weren't for the last minute, I tell you guys, we'd get nothing done. But here are the next 2 oh my gosh, look at that one. The old-fashioned kind of Santa gnome. Oh, these are adorable. And then look at these. And these are just, separate pieces that you can use for the cards. Ah, I love this. I really am. So I got 2 of these, and they were still available. They were still in stock when I ordered these, and again, real recently. So run, don't stop, don't forget. Go run and get these, okay? Oh goodness gracious, there we go. Okay, got this done. Alrighty, my friends, let's move on to Altenew. This is my this month's Altenew that Dingaling here forgot to turn off. She wasn't going to do it. So I haven't even a clue what's in here. So let's see, because I do belong and I don't always get them. I love those layered, but I have far too many I'm not using now. So I've been trying to, okay, unless I've like totally, it's like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. Okay, this is getting crazy. Let me just cut it off the top. I'm trying to be reasonable, but they give me the alert, and in me, I think when I was trying to be efficient and clean out my inbox and my email, I forgot to turn it off. So this is my Craft-A-Flower. Ooh, this might be okay. This is the Carolina Allspice, but look how cool. So this is not a stamp, it is the die set. So, and they always send you, with your subscription, they always send you an inspiration guide of what else you can do that gives you ideas of what to do with it. So this is really cool. Let me pull it out so you guys can see. So they not only do they do the stamps that we all know them for, but they also do, now they're doing dies. So see, it comes with all of the dies to cut out, and it explains what's the layers that they do. So this is cool. I almost thought for a second when I realized they sent it to me anyway, I go, well, maybe it might be very generous 1,000 giveaway, because now that's my next goal, guys. So I'm just going to put that little teaser out there, but I already have something set aside for it. Big. It's much bigger. Okay, it's not a scan account. Okay, don't get excited about that. It's not that big, but I do have something coming down the pike. So I'm going to probably throw a teaser out you. So if you guys can help me and find other crazy people that might like to hang out with us, I'm good with that. Okay, and if not, and if it's just you guys and me, then it's just you guys and me. It's all cool. And if you haven't seen it, you got to go watch the reveal of the winners for my last one. I've already, 2 of them have already gotten a hold of me. I think it's Brenda Brannon has not kind of gone to me. So Brenda, if you're watching this video, girl, email me. Go watch the other day's video. All my videos have my email in it. Email me, and I need your snail mail so I can get your prize out, okay? You want your prize, trust me. All right, guys, that's all I have. This insane mad woman has for you right now. Merry Christmas, guys. Again, can't thank you enough for hanging out with me and putting up with me and laughing at me and laughing at me. That's all good. It's all good. Truly, from my heart, I can't say thank you enough. And if you like these, I will now go into my usual spiel. If you like this insanity, if you just need a moment to get away from your crazy life and watch somebody else's crazy life, I'm there for you. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, drop me a note. Okay, I love them. And if you want to see more of this, because why not watch somebody else's train wreck? Then hit the subscribe button and ding the bell, okay? And I will, I'm going to be here like a bad penny. I will keep turning up. Otherwise, have a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy this time with your family, with your friends, and just know I'm wishing you a very Merry Christmas, okay? And above all else, do not ever forget, we're all a little mad here. So let's all scrap the madness together, okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.